Me am tiju me di ho chiame edi am je so apostle Dr. Nita Kotego na ema ho sepe se me nsa kan na dai e wa fidie we so ene so ye ekoso a bisa ho kwane e befa so abubura na abrabo aye kese kokoroko ana aye ni monyam hye. Many people will live this life and not being able to live up to their full potential. Many people. Bebree na obebu bra we a wontimi enkodum pomponso a otwede amponhye so onkodu so no. They may grow up and only to realize that the world isn't the way they thought it was going to be. Na obenya dum pomponso bi aso say, "Eh, sa brabo a me sha ase yese na ati o." Na brabo a yegbo se na emu odian sa na se no manyina enna hototin na man den en makomani. Then they make up a compromise. Wo pre na anye yi a na wagya mu sai bebia meduro na ye dia meja na ye me na nakra nuru ha meduro ha ye na wagya mu. And then they comfort themselves so that they can be safe and fit in. Na wan kasa chekere wo were bebia meduro no me so me kan woni a wo yehu bi bankodum pamponso yankopon de ma me kura na ma ye bi. And many will sacrifice the essence or what can make them great. Bebre beto ni enti a ye bo wo mo a se we kokoroko abrabo no. Obetu na jejemu. For such people, they need to get certain things right before life can be better. Senkrofo we one adwon say Jesus no ma bi hihye abrabo mu. Oh you say emre bi ba, emre papa bi ba, emo bi ba. Enti wontimi mmosuko enkope risk taking action biara. Wontimi nyina wona so enko de sefata na yembebre ene yakasa atibia we mu ene yagire ba bia se be ho atoye ne aya ne se ebubura na nsunya no ntine eba wiase bebra baba wo bo no e wona brabo de ma no emu ohamu nchemu baako 1% of your potential ena wo bu abrabo sese enya wade enya adwuma wo yo yesikasem enya ban bia wo mu. That's not your potential. We were made bigger and greater than who we are today. Each one of us was made to become kokroko. Each one of us was made to become okesia in an area. Each one of us was made to be enonyam nipa. Nebane saying, "Any young kuyi." A great life is a life where you have self-awareness. You know who you are, and you are aware of your triggers, your path, and your visions. A great life is somebody who is self-motivated. A great life is somebody who has self-control. And a great life is somebody who is empathetic. And a great life is somebody who is able to form relationships. But me so bua ka say me bubra ehso ani a ehye ne monyam a and he said what say nyoma ena mabodi that you are self-aware, that you are self-motivated, that you are self-controlled, and that you are empathetic and can form good social networks. That way you can be proud to say, I am living a great life. Mamen Kebium. Somebody who is living a great life is somebody who has self-awareness, self-motivation, self-control, empathy, and can form social networks or can create good relationships. And teka will be an abrabo edimu ayekese ya na abrabo ye ne munyam sha. Enyo bi odem papa munam opentokwa oye han debi oyo bi a otimi hye ne ho so ene ka ne self-control. Or you be a self-aware, just a wonim said and I think at here. When the man before you want to or man brabum. And put the before or confaso esheso. And will be so empathetic, just a woman bro. Atinka, Adam and Yonko Nipa. And a crack will be out to me a month for a dinkita home, down for so back will be as well. And you know, may can say, near me can say, I would tell me, but what ya na hen your ma a Kenya war. Yeah, peja wo. Na tibia bia umbi a show hun kran. empaba enyamu na mhya ho so obi na ye obibi obi na aka bibia nye hya ho so na fa humobro ne atenkapa ekenya abrabo na nu pempeso a onyame edema wo se beduro no odofo ha na meja wo mama na wase na me na Adom TV anyumakofo nyina ase nia me nua ketoa eye weba Mark na me nka ho no nhira wo eye Priscilla Thomas Ade nwa job na memma Prince ho ena Michael ena obi obo adwumade ba MCR for floor managers lighting ena obi a props set managers nyina nyame nhira mo wa onya mrehwe me no koso na hwe Adom TV wonu nyame entina